This
ఓకే. స్టార్ట్.
conference will now be recorded.
ఎందుకంటే చాలా రోజుల నుంచి మనకు డిస్టర్బ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే. సో నౌ ఇట్ ఇస్ ఎ జాయింట్ రైట్. నిన్న జాయింట్స్ చెప్పాలని ఆగిపోయింది రైట్. రికార్డింగ్ అవుతుంది, వాయిస్ వస్తుంది, ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇస్ దేర్. ఓకే. టుడేస్ టాపిక్ ఈస్ జాయింట్. టుడేస్ టాపిక్ ఈస్ జాయింట్స్. ఓకే. Okay. The main feature of this RDBMS is we can access data from different tables. Actually, we can access table from the same table, right? Which is one table. That is DBMS. But when it comes from RDBMS, relational DBMS, we can get the data from different tables. For example, see here. Okay. It is a EMP table where I am getting employee name, salary and department information. And we have one more table which is nothing but DEPT table. Okay. If you see these two tables, one is EMP table, another one is DEPT table. Okay. In DEPT table, what we have? Department number, department name, location and team leader. In EMP table, we have employee name, information, salary, blah blah blah, everything. It is a department number 10. Now, by using these two tables, can we get the information? For example, James. I want to know team leader of James. Yes, Kranti, Anusha. Tell me who is the team leader of James? Yes, Kranti and Anusha. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Who is the team leader of James? See the department number. What is the department number?
30.
30. Okay. Then come to the DEPT table. Then come to the DEPT table. In DEPT table, in department number 30, who is the team leader? Shiva.
Shiva.
So who is the team leader for James? Shiva.
Shiva.
Now tell me what is the work location for Ford?
420. Dallas.
Very good, very good. Dallas, right? Now, which department Miller is working?
Accounting.
Very good, accounting. Okay. So by using one common column, here what is the common column? Department number. We can get the information from multiple tables, right? What is the common column here? Department number. Department number. Here in this EMP table, this department number column is called foreign key because by using this column, we can get the information from different tables. Now here this department number column in DEPT table is called primary key. Here it is a foreign key. Here it is a primary key. Okay. So by using this, I can get the information. I can get the information. For example, I want employee name and his salary and location and who is the team leader. From how many tables? Employee name, salary from EMP table, comma, location and team leader is from DEPT table. It means I am accessing data from two different tables. One is EMP table, second one is DEPT table. Okay. Here we should use some condition. Why? Because what is the common column? Department number. By using department number only, I am getting the information. So I have to use EMP dot department number. For example, if you don't use the table name, if you just use this one like department number is equal to department number, The Oracle server confused which department number we are talking about. Okay, so we have to mention the table name. We have to mention the table name, emp dot department number and dept dot department number. So when these two columns matches, then it will give the information of employee number and salary and location and team leader. Okay, that is the thing. You see, James salary, it is in emp table. James location, team leader, it is in a dept table, but it is related to one employee, one thing, James. Okay, that is the thing. Why? Because in companies they split the major table into so many tables, 5 to 6 tables, but it is all related to one table only. Okay, for example, in a bank, for a customer information, the customer personal information, customer id, first name, last name, account number, that is in one table, and address, postal address, that is in another table, like that, and deposit, withdrawal, that is in another table. But all this related to one customer, one thing. Okay, that is called joins. By using joins, we can get information from more than one table. More than one table. It is called joins. Okay. Here I am using equal symbol. Here I am using equal symbol. Then it is called equijoin. When I am using equal symbol, it is called equijoin. Okay. In equijoin, we have common column. If both the common columns are equal, then it will return the information. Clark, his salary is 3050, his location is New York, and his team leader is Dinesh. Okay, that is nothing but equijoin. That is nothing but equijoin. Okay, now we have one more table, sal grade. Okay, sal grade. We have one table, base table, which is provided by Oracle when we install Oracle software. Okay, it is a grade and it is a low salary to high salary. If one employee salary is between 700 to 1200, his grade is 1. In every company they have pay bands or salary bands, like 4A, 4B, 4C, or 1A, 1B, 1C, or like that, something P1, P2, P3, like that. Every company has some their pay bonds. According to pay bonds, they have to pay the annual performance bonus. Okay, that is the thing. So sometimes what happen is, if in the same pay bonds and if their positions are different, then their increment and their yearly bonus, or what we can call bonus, okay, performance appraisal, it differ. Okay, but here i want to know I want to know the grade of a particular employee. For example, Martin, what is his salary? 1850. 1850 means here in grade 3. So what is the grade of Martin's salary? Grade 3. Blake 3450, which is nothing but grade 5. James 1550, which is nothing but in grade 3. So I want grade of a salary of a particular employee. But if you see, okay, we do not have any common column. Do we have any common column? No. Okay. In previous, we have department number is a common column in both the tables. But here we do not have any common columns. Okay. For this purpose, we should use not equijoin. Okay. It means we are using other than equal symbol, non-equijoin. It means we are using other than equal symbol. I want to get the employee name, salary, and grade of that employee. Okay, from which table? EMP table and sal grade table. I am getting information of employee name and his salary from EMP table and grade from sal grade table. Okay, sal grade table. Okay, employee name, salary, grade from EMP table. We should use where condition. Where salary, okay, between low salary and high salary. Okay, salary between low salary and high salary. It means whose salary is between low salary and salary, we will give the grade information. Okay, see, you see non-equivalent. Okay, Smith's salary is 1770, so his grade is 5. Why? Because what is the grade of 5? Which is nothing but 3000 to 9999. Okay, so here I am not using any equal symbol, then it is called non-equivalent. Then it is called non-equivalent. Okay, non-equivalent means other than equal symbol. If you are using, it is called non-equivalent. Why? Because we do not have any common column. We do not have any common column in both the tables. Okay, we can write by using between operator, or else we can use like this also, where salary greater than or equal to low sal and salary less than or equal to high sal. Both are same. Here I am using greater than or equal to, and here less than or equal to. So it is called non-equivalent. See, the same grade. Miller 1800 to 300. Okay, James grade 3, like that. Okay, na? So it is called non-equivalent. It is called non-equivalent. But mostly we are not using non-equivalent. Okay, mostly we are using equivalent only. Okay, so it is called non-equivalent. Okay, so till now we discussed about, okay, joints. What's the number? Okay, equijoints and non-equijoints. Okay, the next one is self join. The next one is self join. Okay, I will give the example. Hmm, okay, now, okay, I will ask some question. Just tell me the answer. Employee number of Smith is 7369. Who is the manager for Smith? 7902. Who is 7902? Here, 7902. Ford. So who is the manager for Smith? Ford is the manager for Smith. Okay. Now, who is the manager for Allen? Anusha, Kranti, tell me.
Um,
Who is the manager for Allen? 7698. Nothing but Blake. So manager for Alan, who is that? Blake is the manager.
Blake.
For Ward also same 7698. Blake. For Johns, who is the manager? 7839.
King.
So King. Okay. Who is the manager for King? No one,
What?
because he is the president of the organization. Now I want to know who is the manager and who is the employee. Okay, I want to know the manager of respective employee. Here, how many tables we have? Only one table. Here we have only one table, EMP table. Okay, in this EMP table only, manager MGR act as a foreign key, whereas employee number act as a primary key. If you assume these two are different tables, EMP and EMP both, here MGR column act as a foreign key, whereas employee number act as a primary key. Okay, so it is a self join. Interview aduttaram. Okay, select employee name. Okay, this employee is nothing but worker. You can say it is a worker. Okay, now one more employee name is nothing but manager. Nothing but manager. But you see, here also it is employee name. Here also it is a employee name. Okay, I will give the clarity. Okay, from which table? Both are same, EMP table and EMP table, right? Both are same, EMP table but EMP table. Okay, but Oracle server, okay, it may confuse. So first one gives the E1, second one is E2. Okay, so first one is E1 dot, second one is E2 dot. Okay, worker and manager. Okay, here what is the condition? Where E1 dot MGR is equal to E2 dot employee number. E1 manager, E1 manager MGR should be equal to E2 employee number, E2 employee number. Okay, then only it will give the employee information and his respective manager information. Okay, it is called self join. Self join means both are same tables, EMP table and EMP table. There are not two different tables, both are same table, EMP table. Okay, in that EMP table one column act as a foreign key, one column act as a primary key. Okay, you see. Okay, Ford is the employee. Who is the manager for Ford? Johns. Who is the manager for Scott? Johns. Who is the manager for Turner? Blake. Okay, for these all people, Blake is the manager. Blake is the manager. Okay, see like that. Blake is manager for Turner and Allen, but who is the manager for Blake? King. So is the manager and King is the general manager or super manager. Okay, that is the thing. Hey, look, run. Okay. Okay. If you see, it will retrieve only 13 rows. Hmm. Sure. It will retrieve only 13 rows. Why it is 13 rows? Anusha, Kranti. Why it gives 13 rows? Actually, how many employees are there? 14 employees. Yes, Kranti, Anusha. Actually, how many employees we have? 14 employees. Okay. You see, we have 14 employees. We have 14 employees. But it will show only 13. Why? Because King doesn't have any manager. King doesn't have manager. That's why it will return only 13 rows. Because King doesn't have any manager. Okay? That is the thing. It is about self join. It is about self join. Self join means it joins with the same table within the table. In the table, one column acts as a foreign key and one column acts as a primary key. Okay. So this is about self join. Till now we discussed equijoin, non-equijoin, self join. Now it is one more join is there. ఇక్కడ చెప్తాను. This is joins amma. How many joins we have? Equijoin, it is also called inner join, non-equijoin, self join, now outer join. These joins are called 8-eye joins. 8-eye joins. Okay. Next is outer joints. In outer joints we have two types: left outer joint, right outer joint. Left outer joint, right outer joint. Okay. ఏవో కొన్ని ఉన్నాయి. Hmm. ఏదో ఉంది. I will create a one table. Create table. Table name వచ్చేసి నారాయణ స్కూల్. Assume that. Okay. Student ID, which is number. Okay. And student name, which is వచ్చేసి Varka 10. Okay. Table is created. Now I want to insert some information in Narayana table. Insert into Narayana values. Okay. 01 comma name వచ్చేసి Anil. Okay. And one more వచ్చేసి 02. Okay. Gilan. Okay. 3 లేదు. We have 4. Rule number 3 లేదు. Okay. చెప్పండి క్రాంతి. Okay. And one more row create the 5. Okay. Permission. Yeah, so I create one table Narayana. In that we have some students. Now I create one more table Chaitanya. Chaitanya table. Sri Chaitanya అన్నట్టు. Okay. Table created. Here.
సార్ ఇది డిస్ప్లే స్ట్రక్ అయినట్టుంది సార్ రావట్లేదు
అయ్యో రావట్లేదా?
రావట్లేదు సార్
కనిపించట్లేదా?
లేదు సార్ ఏం కనిపించట్లేదు ఒక 2 రోసే క్రియేట్ అయ్యాయి నెక్స్ట్ నుండి ఏం రావట్లేదు
కనిపిస్తుంది సార్.
మీకు కనిపిస్తుందా అమ్మా? అమ్మ నిన్నట్లా భయం వేసింది. అనుష మీకు ఏమన్నా చూడండి మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి.
రావట్లేదు సార్ అది నారాయణ టేబుల్ లో 2 రోసే క్రియేట్ అయ్యాయి ఇంకా అక్కడ నుండి నాకేం రావలేదు
ఓకే ఓకే నేను మళ్ళీ షేర్ చేస్తున్నా. ఏంటో ఇక అమ్మా అర్థమవుతలేదు. ఈ మన బ్యాచ్కి అవుతుంది. నిన్న బ్యాచ్ చెప్పా. ఇప్పుడు కనిపిస్తుందా అమ్మా?
ఇప్పుడు వస్తుంది సార్
ఓకే 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 ఓకే. ఇప్పుడు చైతన్య స్కూల్ ఆర్ కాలేజ్ ఏదో ఒకటి వీళ్ళకి 01. ఓకే సంథింగ్ ఏదైనా ఒక పేరు ఇచ్చుకోండి. 01 క్రాంతి. క్రాంతి ఉంది కదా, యాడ్ చేశాను కదా. నీరజ. నెక్స్ట్ 02 వెంకట్. వెంకట్ సార్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ థర్డ్ లేదు ఇక్కడ, అప్పుడు థర్డ్ లేదు కదా. అనిల్ వెంకట్ దీలని థర్డ్ 03. మంచి పేరు చెప్పండి అమ్మా. నా పేరు పెద్ద 03. ఇక్కడ 04 లేదు మనకి. ఓకే, 07 అనుకుందాం. 07 సునీల్ సంథింగ్ అనుకుందాం. ఓకే, 1 row created. కనిపిస్తుందామా? నా it is Narayana table. It is Chaitanya table. Okay, Nama. Here we have student ID, nothing but student number 1, 2, 4, 5. ఇక్కడ 1, 2, 3, 7. ఇక్కడ కామన్ కాలం ఏంటి? 1, 2. ఇక్కడ ఏంటమ్మా? 1, 2 కదా. ఓకే, ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ యూజింగ్ equijoin, it will give the common columns, common rows. What is the common elements? 1, 2. But I want unmatched rows also, like Kranti and Anusha here on the left side, Alim and Sunil on the right side. Okay, so if you want matched rows as well as unmatched rows, then that join is called outer join. Outer join. Select నాకు స్టూడెంట్ ఐడి కావాలి కదా. స్టూడెంట్ ఐడి కామా స్టూడెంట్ నేమ్ కామా మళ్ళీ స్టూడెంట్ ఐడి కామా స్టూడెంట్ నేమ్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ వచ్చేసి నారాయణది. ఓకే, సో యూస్ వన్ టేబుల్ alias ఎవ్రీ టైమ్. నారాయణ బదులు షార్ట్ ఫామ్ నారాయణకి ఏంటి? ఎన్ డాట్. ఇది చైతన్య సి డాట్. ఓకే, ఫ్రమ్ నారాయణ what is the table alias? n. Next Chaitanya C. Okay na, where n dot sid, ఇక్కడ కామన్ కాలం ఏంటి? స్టూడెంట్ ఐడి should be equal to c dot sid. Okay, here condition is n dot sid is equal to sc dot cid, nothing but student id. What is the common column? Student id. So when I am using equijoin, it will give the matched rows. What is the matched అమ్మా? ఇక్కడ స్టూడెంట్ ఐడి 1, ఇక్కడ స్టూడెంట్ ఐడి 1. అప్పుడప్పుడు జరుగుతాయి కదా కాంపిటీషన్. నారాయణ స్కూల్లో టాపర్ అండ్ చైతన్య స్కూల్లో టాపర్, వాళ్ళ ఇద్దరి మధ్య కాంపిటీషన్. నెక్స్ట్ నారాయణ స్కూల్లో సెకండ్ టాపర్, శ్రీ చైతన్య స్కూల్లో సెకండ్ టాపర్, వీళ్ళిద్దరి మధ్య కాంపిటీషన్. అంతే కదా. ఓకే, ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఈక్విజైన్. బట్ ఐ వాంట్ అన్మ్యాచ్డ్ రోస్. ఈ నారాయణ స్కూల్లో నాకు క్రాంతి అనుష వాళ్ళ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ కూడా కావాలి. ఎట్ ద టైమ్ యూజ్ అవుటర్ జాయిన్. మిగతా అంతా సేమ్ ఉంటుంది. బట్ హియర్ ఓకే, ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ లెఫ్ట్ అవుటర్ జాయిన్ అంటే లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ టేబుల్. వాట్ ఇస్ ద లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ టేబుల్? నారాయణ. కామా ఉంది కదా, కామాకి లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఈజ్ నారాయణ టేబుల్. What is the right side of comma? Chaitanya. So it is a right side table. It is called left side table. It is called right side table. If you want left outer join, it means left unmatched rows. Then keep the plus symbol on the right side. Okay? Keep the plus symbol on the right side. Chudandi. Anusha and Kranti. It is unmatched from Narayana table. It is unmatched from Narayana table. Anusha and Kranti. Okay, So left outer join means, what is the use of left outer join? It will provide matched rows, matching rows, as well as unmatched rows from left side table. From left side table. What is the left side from comma left side? ఏముంది నారాయణ. But because I keep plus symbol on the right side. ఇంకా గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి. If you keep plus symbol on the right side, it is called left outer join. Okay. If you want right outer join, it means unmatched rows from the Chaitanya school. At the time, keep this plus symbol on the left side. Okay, Nama? Plus symbol తీసేసి, okay. You see, it will provide matched rows, as well as it will provide unmatched rows from right side table. What is the right side table? Chaitanya. Why? Because we keep the plus symbol on the left side. If you keep plus symbol on the left side, then it is called right outer join. If you keep plus symbol on the right side, then it is called left outer join. Okay, na? So this is the left outer join, and this one is the right outer join. In 8i joins, why? Because just now we discussed that these are the 8i joins. Okay, these equijoin, non-equijoin, self-join, outer join, these are called 8i joins. Interview అడుగుతాడమ్మా. Can we get full outer join from 8i joints? No, we cannot get. We can get only left outer join and right outer join. Left outer join and right outer join. Okay, Nama? Next వచ్చేసి 9i joints. ఏం డిఫరెంట్ లేదమ్మా. ఇఫ్ యు ఆర్ యూజింగ్ prior than 8i software, Oracle 8i version, then you can use that one. If you are using 9i version or uh, updated version or earlier version like 10g, 11g, 12c, 18c, 19c, 20c, now it's a 21c now. Last year only they introduced, they launched Oracle 21 version, 21c in the year 2021. Okay. If you are using 9a or prior, okay, then use these joints: inner joints, left outer joint, right outer joint, and full outer joint. ఇక్కడ ఇంటర్వ్యూలో అడుగుతాడమ్మా, కెన్ వి గెట్ ఫుల్ అవుటర్ జాయిన్ బై యూజింగ్ 8i syntax? No, we cannot get. Only we can get left outer join and right outer join. Okay, Nama? So these are nothing but 8i joints. Okay. One is inner join or equijoin based on equality condition. Equality ఉంటుందిగా, that is the symbol. Non equijoin based on other than equal symbol. Self join, a table joins itself. Okay. Now, okay, only the difference is syntax for 8i and 9i. Okay, 8i and 9i, there is only syntax different. Here also in 9i we have inner join, which is equijoin, left outer join, right outer join, full outer join, and natural joins. Okay, I will explain one by one. సింటాక్స్ ఎలా ఉంటుందంటే, 8i సింటాక్స్ SQL సింటాక్స్ అంటే లెస్ దాన్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్ ఉంటుంది. ఓన్లీ ఒరాకిల్ database. If you are using Oracle database as a backend, then use Oracle syntaxes. If you are using SQL server, okay, మీ ట్యాబ్లెట్కి ఏమవుతుంది, మోస్ట్లీ Oracle, SQL server, MySQL ఉంటాయి databases. 90% companies they are using Oracle database. Okay, na? If you are a company using client using SQL server, then use this syntax, 9i syntax. నేను చెప్తాను. ఓకే, 8A syntax or SQL syntax ఎలా ఉందమ్మా? Select the columns from tables like emp comma dept and we using where condition కదా. Here in ANSI syntax no need to use comma to separate the two tables. Just write down table 1 inner join table 2. ఓకే, ఇది ఒక డిఫరెంట్ ఉంటుంది. ఇన్నర్ జాయిన్ ఇక్కడ ఏముంటుంది కామా. అండ్ హియర్ we are using where condition. Here we are using on. Instead of where we are using on. అంతే డిఫరెంట్. ఓకేనా, చూడండి. ఓకే, చూడండి ఈక్వల్ సింబల్ అండ్ కామా. హియర్ just write down inner join instead of where use on. That is the difference between 8A and 9A. 8A లో కామా ఉంటుంది, ఇక్కడ ఇన్నర్ జాయిన్. In 8A we have where condition, here on class. చూడండి, both the outputs are same. Okay, it is called inner join on 9A version. Okay, ఇంకా చెప్పాలంటే select employee name comma location from emp. 8A లో కామా రాసాం కదా, ఇక్కడ అలా కాదు. ఇన్నర్ జాయిన్ dpt వేర్ ఉంది కదా, ఇక్కడ ఆన్. emp dot department number is equal to dept dot department number. అక్కడ కామా రాయాలి, ఇక్కడ ఇన్నర్ జాయిన్. అక్కడ వేర్ రాయాలి, ఇక్కడ ఆన్ కండిషన్. ఓకే, రిమైనింగ్ ఆర్ సేమ్ టు సేమ్. దిస్ version is called 9i. Okay, in 9i we are using on and inner join. Sometimes no need to write inner also, only write down join. Okay, ఎలా అంటే okay, you can use inner join or you can just mention join, no problem, but use on instead of where, use on. Okay, it is a 9a syntax amma. It is a 9a syntax. If you use comma and where class, then it is called 8a syntax. Okay na. Okay, if you want to join three tables, simply table 1 join table 2 on condition, join table 3 on condition. Okay na, we can join more tables, 4 tables అనుకోండి. Simply table 1 join table 2 condition. Okay, this 9a syntax useful for more than 2 tables. If you have only 2 tables to join, then use 8a syntax. But if you want more than 2 tables, then use 9a syntax, where we are using only, మీరు జాయిన్ అని రాయొచ్చు, లేకుంటే సింప్లీ ఇన్నర్ జాయిన్ అని కూడా రాయొచ్చు, యూజింగ్ ఆన్ కండిషన్. ఓకేనమ్మా. నెక్స్ట్ లెఫ్ట్ అవుటర్ అంటే సింపుల్, టేబుల్ 1 కామా లెఫ్ట్ అవుటర్ జాయిన్ అంతే. రైట్ అంటే రైట్ అవుటర్ జాయిన్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఫుల్ అంటే ఫుల్ అవుటర్ జాయిన్ సింప్లీ. ఓకే, అదే 8A ఏముంటుంది, ప్లస్ సింబల్ రైట్ సైడ్ పెడితే ఇట్ ఇస్ ఏ లెఫ్ట్ అవుటర్ జాయిన్, లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ పెడితే ఇట్ ఇస్ ఏ రైట్ అవుటర్ జాయిన్. ఓకే, చూడండి ఇక్కడ ఇన్నర్ జాయిన్ లెఫ్ట్ అవుటర్ జాయిన్ అని రాసేసి ఓకేనా. ఆన్, ఇది ఆన్ కండిషన్ లిటరల్ గా రాయాలి 9 లెఫ్ట్ అవుటర్ జాయిన్ ఆన్ కండిషన్. ఓకేనా, చూడండి ఇట్ ఇస్ లెఫ్ట్ అవుటర్ జాయిన్. నాన్ ఐటీ పీపుల్ కూడా he can easily understand. Okay, it is a left outer join. It means it will give the unmatched row from left side table. What is the left side table? Narayana. What is the right side table? Chaitanya. Okay, చూడండి. చూడండి. Right on simple. చూడండి. Right outer join. రైట్ సైడ్ అన్మ్యాచ్డ్ రోస్. ఇక్కడ ఫుల్ కూడా ఉంటుంది మనకి. ఫుల్ అవుటర్ జాయిన్. చూడండి, ఇవి మ్యాచ్డ్ రోస్, ఇవి అన్మ్యాచ్డ్ రోస్ ఫ్రమ్ రైట్ సైడ్, ఇట్ ఈస్ అన్మ్యాచ్డ్ రో ఫ్రమ్ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్, లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ టేబుల్. ఓకే, అది. ఎనీ డౌట్ అమ్మా? టుమారో ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ న్యాచురల్ జాయిన్ అండ్ క్రాస్ జాయిన్. ఓకేనా? అనుష, క్రాంతి, ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయమ్మా? ఈ నోట్స్ పంపిస్తాను.
నో సార్. ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే, ఏంటంటే ఏందో 2-3 డేస్ నుంచి మనకి డిస్టర్బ్ అయింది, కానీ సారీ ఫర్ దట్.